Assalamu alaikum dear students. Now today we are going to discuss the graphical solution of linear inequalities in two variables. Now if we consider linear equation in two variables like ax plus by equals to c. So this is linear equation in two variable. You know that in plane it simply represents the straight line, or it represents the points on a straight line. But if we consider the equality, we have two types of inequalities. One, this like inequality, and second, the strict inequality. Here ax plus by is less or equals to c, or ax plus by is greater or equals to c. This is the slack inequality. Similarly, we can have this ax plus by less than strict inequality, or ax plus by greater than c. So this means that we have only four types of inequalities. To the slack inequality, and to other two are strict inequalities. Now in order to solve these graphically, firstly we have to draw the graph. We should draw the graph of this ax plus by equals to c. Now this, when we draw the graph of this ax plus by equals to c, whether we have this ax plus by less or equals to or less than. Firstly draw the graph of this ax plus by equals to c. This means that this straight line, because ax plus by equals to c is the straight line, it divides the plane into two parts. Then we have to consider the points from both the parts, both these parts, like part 1 and part 2. If the points from part 1 satisfies the given inequality, then we say that this is the solution region, or this is the region which is represented by this straight and this linear inequality. Similarly, if the points from second part satisfies the given inequality, which implies that the second part or the second region is the solution region. So usually the linear inequalities in two variables represents a region in a plane, or the portion of a plane. Let me consider an example in this regard. If we have this x plus y is less than 5, here we have strict inequality. Now firstly we should draw the graph of this x plus y less than 5. X plus y less than 5. So how to draw the graph of this linear equation? You know it, and you studied this in the class 10th. So this is the required equation, this graph of this x plus y equals to 5. X plus y equals to 5. Now this straight line divides this plane into two parts, part 1 or region 1, and part 2, or we say that the region 2. Now here in part first, or the region first, this point origin is in this point, in this region R1. Usually we check this point in the given equation, in the given inequality. Now if we put x equals to 0, y equals to 0 in this, so we get here 0 less than 5, 0 less than, which is true statement or the true result. Now so this means that this point x equals to 0, y equals to 0 makes the given statement as a true statement. So this means that we can say that this 0 is arbitrarily point, this 0 is the point in this R1. So this means that we can say that each and every point in this region R1 satisfies the given inequality. So this means that this is the solution region. Now here 1 6 is the point. Now this is for a check, in order to check that this is the only region. Now if we consider points from R2, that is 1 6 is here, and if we put in the given inequality, it is 1 plus 6, which is 7. So this means that if 1 6 satisfies the given equality, this should imply that 1 plus 6 equals to 7 should less than 5, which is absurd. So this means that there does not exist any point in this region R1 which satisfies the given inequality. So this means that we can have only one region among these two regions which satisfies, or the points in which satisfies the given inequality. Also here we have strict inequality. Here we have less. So this means that there does not exist any point on this line, because if the points on this line satisfies the given equality, this should imply that actually x plus 5 equals to x plus y equals to 5. But here we have strict inequality, so this means that only the solution region is R1 but not the points on the line, and R2. Like here, if we consider 2x plus y is greater or equals to 6, we have to draw, firstly we will draw this graph of 2x plus y equals to 6. 2x plus y equals to 6. Like here we have this. This is the graph of 2x plus y equals to 6, greater or equals to 6. Now clearly this region, this line divides this plane into two portions. Portion 1 means R1 and R2. Now here in R1 we have 0 0. Now if we put in the given inequality, it is 2 into 0, because we have 2x plus y, that is 2 into 0 plus 0 equals to 0. Now if 0 satisfies, then it should imply that 0 0 means 0 is greater or equals to 6, which is absurd, because 0 is not greater or equals to 6, which implies that there does not exist any point in this region R1 which satisfies this 2x plus y greater or equals to 6. But if we consider points from this region R2, then each and every point from this satisfies the given inequality. Here we have the slack inequality. Now if we consider 2x plus y equals to 6, 2x plus y equals to 6, then the solution for this 2x plus y equals to 6 are all the points which lies on the line. Also we proved above that points in R2 also satisfies the given equation, which implies that every point in the region R2 and on the line 2x plus y equals to 6 satisfies the given inequality 2x plus y greater or equals to 6. Now how to check that region R2 is the solution region? Now if we consider point 50, because 50 lies in region R2, then clearly when we substitute, we get 2 into 5 plus 0, that is 10, which is always greater or equals to 6. So this means that each and every point from R2 satisfies the given this given inequality. So we can say that actually this region and the points on this line 2x plus y equals to 6 is the solution region for 2x plus y greater or equals to 6. So thank you.